Hey everyone, it's James from FaceTime Police, and today I will be unboxing the brand new limited edition, already sold out, Reebok Pump Omni Zone 2 Superkicks collaboration with the greatest tag team in the world, the Young Bucks. Now, if you've been following FaceTime Police on social media, you know that Brian and I are huge wrestling fans. We go to all the AEW events that are in Chicago. My wrestling fandom started with WCW, seeing guys like Wolfpack Sting and Goldberg. Then I saw the Hardy Boys Edge and Christian ladder match at No Mercy, and it just completely blew my mind. Then I was introduced to ECW, and I've been a lifelong wrestling fan ever since. One thing you may not know about me from following our social media feeds is I'm a bit of a sneakerhead. I love collecting sneakers. I think sneakers can make or break an outfit. A lot of times the sneaker is the outfit, so that's why I love them so much. So whenever wrestlers come out with their own sneakers, I try to get my hands on them. A few years ago, I got these. These are the Fila New Day collaboration. And I actually wore these when FaceTime Police performed in Los Angeles a few years ago at Anime Expo. I also got the last Young Bucks release with Diodora. You get a lot of compliments on these from people who aren't even wrestling fans. So when I heard the Young Bucks were releasing another shoe, but this time a Reebok Pump, I was like, I gotta get that. You know, I never had pumps as a kid. I remember seeing them on TV all the time and, you know, people pumping up their shoes before a basketball game or whatever. Had to get my hands on them. I was lucky enough to get a pair before they all sold out. So let's unbox them. Let's check them out. And this is a legit unboxing because I literally haven't even opened the UPS box that they came in. Here we go. Very riveting stuff. Watching me cut open a box. So here we got the AEW logo next to the Reebok logo. Love when wrestling sort of bleeds into other industries, other worlds. I think more wrestlers and more wrestling companies should collaborate with sneaker companies. Probably should have thought this out a little bit better. All right, I'll just take out one shoe. Ooh. All right, so here it is. I love the colors. Very traditional Young Bucks. It's got the pump. It says Super Kick Party on the inside. Comes with two different lace options. You got either all black or, again, the Young Bucks sort of signature tie-dye. So now the moment of truth. I never had a pump shoe, so I never got to do this. Can you hear it? It's not making the noise I thought it would, but still, little thing you could push. Let's take these out into the real world and see how they feel.
Swinging through the skyline, swimming in the clouds, take a minimal sound and turn it to the max. Air bubble in the back just to keep you on your toes. You never know which way this crazy ball's gonna go.
Can I be a ninja? Can I be a ghost? Can I be where criminals fear the most? Can I shoot lasers from my eyes? Be a vigilante, oh, in disguise.
It's a beautiful, very windy day in Chicago. I got my Superkicks on. It's a very spacious shoe, which I like. Super comfortable, which is very important for sneakers. Do you like my Superkicks, Rambo? So there you have it. The Young Bucks Pump Superkicks, or Superkick Pumps, however you want to call it. More wrestlers got to come out with their own shoe. I know Swerve is coming out with a shoe. I think wrestling and sneaker culture can go hand in hand. Wrestlers with their attires are very colorful. Their personalities are very loud. I personally love when sneakers are loud and colorful and weird. So there's a lot more in common there than you think. Until next time, please check out FaceTime Police on Spotify, YouTube, all the streaming stuff. And I'll see you next time.
I was born a baby face, but I still get heat. I pander to the crowd, but that pop feels cheap. I wear my heart on my sleeve and a canvas on my face. Paint picture perfect portraits of the dreams I chase.
Wait a minute. If these are called Superkicks, there's one more test they have to pass.
Hey, cool shoes.